These days, the people and the government of Pakistan, they are celebrating the 75th anniversary of independence. And we are very glad to participate in this actually occasion. We suggested the Honorable Chief Minister of Sindh government to name after a park which is located next to our consulate here, as a name that will be a symbol of friendship between Iran and Pakistan. So Hazrat Salman Farsi was the only Iranian companion of Prophet Muhammad salawatullah alayhi wa alayhi. Unfortunately, this park named after Hazrat Salman Farsi as a symbol of friendship between two countries. You know, Iran was the first country that recognized Pakistan in 1947, and in return Pakistan was the first country that recognized Iran's revolution. Our political relation is at its highest level, and we are trying to boost our comprehensive relation between the two parties. And thank you to the media, print and electronic medias, for supporting us to actually gain these goals. Thank you. Excellency, thank you so much again for your assistance. And so, inshallah, we will witness more progress in our mutual relations and future. Today, the Minister of Road and the Housing of Iran in Islamabad for the joint commission between Iran and Pakistan. On 22nd of August, inshallah, we will hold a seminar regarding the boost of tourism. We need your assistance in all types of the activities here to enhance our mutual cooperation. And thank you for all of your support. Take care of this park because this is the symbol of friendship. For you, Mr. Thank you. Thank you. So please deliver this to Mr. Mustafa on behalf of the